is that not coming on carports. Show you what's going on there. Okay, got the power turned off, and what I found, I was kind of had to test it live, but what it is this wire under here. See, it's not very clean, so almost got a build up, and so it's hit and miss making the contact. So what I'm gonna do is trim it back to a good spot and start fresh. Alright, got it to fresh, and then can trim it and link those up. Good to go. So this one worked first day, but when I came back the second day, it actually didn't turn on again. And when I tried it live, I disconnected the hot wire, reconnected it, it would turn on, and it was driving me crazy. But here's the story on these ballasts. Replaced the ballast and having trouble with the ballast not working. And with my old ones, you wire everything with both red wires going to both red wires, both yellow wires going to both sets of yellow wires, and both blue wires going to both sets of blue wires. But nothing's working.
Although it did work that way for a few weeks.
With it, I've run a ground. It's grounded. Everything is good. Got my hot and neutral. What I'm thinking is maybe these new ballasts, I have to separate the red, separate the blue. You know, one blue to one blue, one red to one red, one red to one red. And that each bulb is on a different channel. And it appears to be that way on the diagram. They don't seem to be linked. Let's see. And that may be the difference. So I can try that. Yep, that's what it was. These new ballasts, if one light goes out, then both lights don't go out, and that's kind of the nice thing, and that's why they're wired separate like that. An easy fix, but it did throw me for a loop for a little while because my other ones were not wired that way. And that's not all ballasts are that way. Many ballasts you can do both wires to both, both colored wires to the matching the colored wires, and still if one light goes out, then they both don't go out. But on this particular ballast, that was the story. So if you run into that, it may be something to check. Each ballast slightly different, but that's how it was for these. Hopefully that spares somebody out there some trouble. Again, the funny thing on this and what threw me for a loop is it worked fine that way for about 3 weeks, and then it stopped working. So it did, like I said, it threw me for a loop, but figured it out and figured I'd pass on the story to you all.